Let's give the old loader some laughing gas. Oh yeah. Perfect amount. Let's see if it starts.